From pool to party. So say you are on a beach vacation and want to pack less clothes. This is how. We all pack at least 2 swimsuits. So say one swimsuit you've used for swimming, then you can wear the other. Or say you've been sunbathing and your swimsuit dries up and you gotta rush to brunch or for drinks. So in that case, carry your pants and accessories with you so you don't have to rush back to the hotel room, tie your hair in a bun or let it air dry, giving it a messy, beachy, wavy texture. Now let's style swim cover-ups. Cover-ups are see-through, and for something like this, all you need is to buy a nude slip that is closer to your skin tone and you have a gorgeous dress which you can take from day to night. Again, this way you can pack light and use this cover-up over your swimsuit or with a slip for lunch or dinner. Having a black swimsuit makes it easier to carry the look to a night party, fancy event or gatherings where you need to be a bit more dressy. And for a button cover-up, I tried to match it with a similar textured corset to get the same concept going. You can wear it closed or open, accessorize, make it dressy or casual and enjoy your vacation. And this is it, my friends. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, take care.